Hey guys, so it is currently Sunday and we're heading to Haleiwa to go to the beach and to jet ski again. Right now we're at 7-Eleven getting gas and like some chips and stuff to eat, obviously. And then we're gonna head down there, so I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we had to stop by Palakai Bakery to get some goodies and some fried chicken. So Ben's grabbing it right now and then we're gonna head down. And so I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we're finally here at the harbor side because we're gonna jet ski today. And then there's my mom, them over there setting up the tent. I love this beach because it's like so, what is the word? Dead. And I'm very introverted, but yeah. Famous chicken. It's so peaceful. Hey guys, so we're finally here and I'm just relaxing on the beach by myself. The kids are playing over there on the paddle, jet skis. Everybody's up above me, but I'd rather stay down here. It's so peaceful, so I'm journaling right now, or I'm about to. And yeah. Guys, so I just got out of the water. It's so hot, but now it's like freaking freezing. But oh, wanna go swim?
After?
It's hot. Well, it's cold now because I went in, but yeah. So I'm just chilling on the beach. It's so peaceful. Like there's nobody here except us. What?
Nothing.
Oh. But yeah. And I got freaking sand all over, but it's fine, I guess. So I'll see you guys later. Update, I'm still on the beach. It's so peaceful, like there's nobody here. That's why I like coming here. Like it's really not pretty. It's like the most ugliest beach you can call it. But it's like the fact of just being alone and thinking about stuff and just like, I guess you could say meditating. I don't know, but I love doing this every Sunday because it makes me think about everything but not have any other person's input, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I finished journaling and now it's pretty windy, so I'm not gonna go in. Ben went to go jet ski out, so yeah. But it's freaking windy. My hat flew off like a couple of times. But yeah. I don't know. got back from the from jet skiing, and now I'm gonna eat. Look how good this looks. Okay. Try to zoom up on it, but I don't know if you can see the turtle. Yeah, you can't see it on the camera. There's my uncle over there. Right now, we're gonna go walk on these rocks to the end over there for no reason, to work out, I guess. Ben actually turned around because I wanted to see the turtle. Do you guys see it? It's right there. Look at the turtle. Aww. It's running away. Hey guys, so it's currently 4:07 and we're gonna head home now because we have a lot of stuff to do and I have to do meal prep and everything, so yeah. Hey guys, so we went to go get shave ice quickly. Look how good this is. I got condensed milk with mochi balls. But now we had to move the truck because some lady was fucking honking her freaking horn at us. So yeah, whatever. But yeah, so
you'd rather wait in that line? Hell no.
I know, hell no, look at that. This is like way better. Apparently what Ben said, but we'll test it out and see. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later.